hope that your quarantine is really going to be really productive one you guys are doing and spending time which will make yourself in self growth or something. So yeah, like I hope that everyone is doing good and yeah, staying indoors and keep sanitizing yourself and taking care of yourself because I think this is the hour of the need and I think it's good that it happened. At least people can go with the basic hygiene, right? That is the most important one. So I think it's a good one. So apart from that, today I'm going to speak about one of the most Himalayan extravagant villages I have ever been to, Larot. If you have ever heard it, like it's in the inner part of Himalayas. I'm taking the name Larot, Larot. It's really beautiful. For example, if I describe the place, like and just wait, let me just say this thing. I think by watching my previous videos, you guys might have experienced or heard a lot that how much I love Himalayas. Like I have something very deep place in my heart and I love Himalayas. I love adventure so much. Like if you have checked the previous videos, so well true. It's true that Himalayas has my heart, or maybe I lost my heart to Himalayas. Anything can be there. So yeah, well, the thing is, I chose this life of adventure just instead of snuggling on bed when the temperatures are dripping down. The thing is, personally, I love taking up challenges, falling and getting down, getting up in the fresh powdered snow. I mean, if you ever experience the powdered snow, like the one step you put and your whole feet is down. So it's kind of like dangerous as well, but I really love it. Like wherever I have been, I definitely go for adventures because that's my personal choice. I mean, a true adrenaline rush. That is the thing. So yeah, but of course you have to be really mindful of the situation, weather conditions, and always take help of the locals, as in yeah, they are going to tell you in a better way. Just do not trust your intuitions or something. It's better if you take help. If you're going on some adventure with the locals, that will be the best thing. I still remember I went crazy to capture one sunset in Larot village. I think I was on my way and it was around 4 p.m. And I have to cover 3 more hours of route. But the sunset was supposed to be at 6 p.m. I still remember how I managed to reach there and get that sunset capture. I think you will see in the blog. I have uploaded in the blog of tours and journeys. So yeah, and I think a person can do it if they really are passionate about it and they have the true spirit of exploration, that really pushes them that you have to go, you have to do something which is really offbeat. And I think that makes me different. Yeah, there are a lot of people who loves traveling. I love traveling, but more than traveling, I love adventure. So yeah, you guys might know this thing now by the probably through previous videos, and even right now I'm speaking about the Himalayan place only. So yeah, I think when I fall down, I go on so many adventures, the best and worst experiences. And yeah, through that only I learned. The thing is, actually I have deciphered a long time back that what exactly I wanted to do. So here I started with my adventure series. So yeah, but at the same time it's really difficult to pour out all the emotions or experiences on a piece of paper or through a video like I'm saying it in front of you, until unless you go and experience that, like that's what makes us grow, right? Own visuals and everything, like of course visuals and all those things are there, but until unless you experience it, that's the best thing, right? So yeah, I'll talk about this place, Larot village, where I landed. Like from Delhi, you have to take bus for Shimla, and then Shimla you can take a cab or something for Rodu, and then Larot. Yeah, and there is one more pass apart from Larot is Chanshal Pass. So yeah, you will see the vlogs and blog as well in tours and journeys. So yeah, this place Larot village is a complete contradiction to what I see in cities. But basically in Delhi. So yeah, from exploring and going on a hike on a very random unexplored path, or route from where wheat fields, I really cross wheat fields to dense pines or oak forest. The view changes suddenly, and it's something which really touches my heart. From crossing the broken bridges to the patches of greens, from purple poppies to the apple and plum flowers. From snowflakes to the firm icicles, which are really dangerous as well. So just be mindful about that. From treacherous routes, which I try on, ending up in beautiful glacier lakes. I mean, trust me, Himalayas had us all. And if you really want to go ahead, you can connect with me further. So yeah. The thing is, like when I reached there, the temperatures were really, really going down. My hands were really, really close. But I met some really warm-hearted people there. I mean, with those chubby cheeks, the kids, and the turquoise eyes. But they were so super energetic. They were just going, climbing, and skiing down. So it was kind of, oh my god, I was so shocked. Oh my god, how come they're having so much of energy? And on the other hand, I was like, okay, how I can't do this, but still I pushed myself and went ahead. The thing is, I'm still wondering if I am really doing the justice by just speaking about this place in a very few words or sentences or few minutes. I really don't know if I'm doing the justification or not to this place, because I will definitely suggest you guys, please go and experience it. And if you need any kind of help to experience it, you can connect with me on Tours and Journeys via email, via Instagram, via YouTube, via message, anything. So yeah, and the most important thing is, I'll definitely suggest, just go witness by your own eyes, face all the challenges, overcome it, learn and experience the best and worst. That's what made me grow. Like, it's not easy to climb the higher altitude Himalayan terrains to reach that particular glacial lake. So anyways, you will be seeing all the pictures and everything. If you really want to check out, you can go and follow my account of Solo Skepist as well on Instagram. So yeah, and one more thing, I mean, this place is something which I will particularly say that go in the season of post-winters. Post-winters is a time when you can see snow as well as the plum flowers and the apple flowers. Is the time when it's about the flowers are budding, and the whole environment is colored in pink and yellow and green and white. It's really, really beautiful, and you will see all the pictures as well. So yeah, stay tuned for more. And yeah, I really want to say that thank you so much for all the love through Instagram and through emails and through comments that you guys are pouring out. I really, really thank, and I'm really grateful from the core of my heart for such overwhelming experience, and yeah, thankfulness to you guys. So yeah, I hope that we continue to grow, and feel free to connect with me anytime. And to know more about Larot village, you can go and read the blog on Tours and Journeys. Yeah, and if you have any particular thing you really want to suggest me, or like Tours and Journeys, so you can directly just drop by the comment or something, like if you really want me to do some particular video. So yeah, we can go ahead with that. Just don't feel hesitated, and if you really like this video, make sure that you subscribe, like and share. So yeah, just stay tuned for more because more content are going to come. Meanwhile, just stay quarantined, use your time very wisely in terms of your own growth, do research, yeah, make plans. So yeah, anyways, this is going to be over, so yeah, I think you can really go ahead with it. Meanwhile, just give thumbs up to this video and yeah, stay tuned for more. Okay then, bye bye, sayonara.